Hello everyone, greetings for the day and welcome back to the Rolling MBA. What happens when healthcare professionals leave crowded city behind to enter the world of adventure for unforgettable night of camping, bonfire, music, laughter, hill climbing, zipline, boating, mudsliding with a bunch of sweet memories. This time I am traveling with my amazing colleagues from Dr. Lalpat Labs towards nature's resort. Late evening we arrived to the destination. There is a fire juggling with bonfire party, music, dancing, and delicious dinner, then sleeping in our luxury tent. Open sky, nature all around us, and a group of colleagues ready to create some unforgettable memories. Just nature, conversation, laughter, and great company. Sometimes the best team building activity is simply spending time together outside the workplace.
वो आपका थोड़ा मुंह भी इधर हो रहा है
And early in the morning, our first challenge was hill climbing. Here, there was no shortcut, only one way to the top. Keep climbing.
वन टू जोर से बोल लो
The next activity was mud sliding, and when the mud became our playground, we simply started sliding.
अरे कम
Pokemon, जाओ, hey चलो, hey come.
Next challenge, zipline over water. For a few seconds, I felt like I had left the ground and all stress behind.
टकला डूब गया
Single book.
After all that adventure, it was time to boating. When colleagues become friends, even simple boat ride became a memory. This trip wasn't just about climbing mountain or riding a zip line. It was about teamwork, friendship, laughter, and creating memories outside the workplace. This is the Rolling MBA, where every journey has a story and every adventure become a memory. If you enjoyed this adventure, like, share, and subscribe. Keep exploring, learning, and rolling. Till the next episode. Have a great day.